Let's move on now to installing the incubator. To begin with, we will set up the gas preheating system. Connect the thinnest hose, the one with the filter, to the red aluminum stopper tube lid. Then, fit the other side of the hose into the connector located at the base of the incubator. Now, connect the wider hose to the hole in the aluminum stopper and the other end to the connector on the incubator lid. Add 20 ml of filtered water to the plastic bubbler tube. Secure the red aluminum lid and insert the tube with lid into the receiver. The water level should be maintained at 20 milliliter and be checked daily. Even if the incubator is not used every day, this water must be changed weekly or more often at the user's discretion. Once this is done, it is time to connect the gas mixture hoses to the source. The hose connectors must be connected to the gas mixture inlets located on the back of the incubator chambers, and the other end must be connected to the gas cylinder's pressure regulator. The pressure regulator must be closed when connecting because the inlet pressure adjustment must be done with the incubator already turned on. The valves and tubing can be safely disconnected when changing gas cylinders without leaking or compromising the chambers, as they have a gas lock system. Installation is the same for all 3 chambers and the modular version, regardless of whether you have the standard lid or the high lid. After installing the hoses, it's time to turn on the incubator. First, let's connect the power supply. Plug the cable into the power supply connector on the back and turn it slightly until you hear it lock. Then plug the cable into your power source. As soon as the equipment is connected to power, press the on-off buttons. The buttons light up to indicate power is being received, and, in a few seconds, the front display will show the home screen we call 1. At this point, the incubator will be ready to be configured to the correct settings.